Hi guys! So we're here na sa aming accommodation. So for tonight, we're gonna be using these 3 rooms. Ayan, yung magkakatabi. So hi daddy! And guess what guys? Beachfront siya guys. Ayan ang beach. Oh, diba? So nice.
Guys, guess what?
What?
Guys, guess what? Tagal kong di kumakain ng chicherya pero ngayon ang almusal ko chicherya. Very good.
Very good.
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
Ice cream.
Chicherya.
So ayun guys, ang ganda. Eee! Yan siya. Tapos ayun guys, tignan nyo, meron doon yung parang pinakadaanan nila. Nilagyan nila ng solar panel. Yun yung naging bubong ng daanan nila. Ang galing! Ang galing. Ayan, ayan, ayan. So nice. So ayan lang. See you in our next adventure. Wolf adventure. Bye!